And a big decision in court this afternoon for a man accused of shooting a North Miami Beach police officer. Elton Bandoo is accused of shooting Lino Diaz as that officer tried to serve a warrant. You may remember this story from back in February. Well, Bandoo has been in jail since that shooting, but that could change later on today. Local 10 news reporter Glenna Milberg is live outside the Miami courthouse where bond hearing just wrapped up for that suspect. Glenna, what happened inside?
Christy, actually, the judge did grant Elton Bandoo bail bond, but he can't post just yet, and here's why. One of the stipulations is that any of the bail money that Bandoo or his family posts cannot come from any proceeds of any alleged crime. And that hearing is not going to happen for another 10 days. So let me catch people up. Elton Bandoo is charged with attempted murder of a law enforcement officer, just like you mentioned, a very serious alleged crime, and one that potentially would allow the judge to say no bond. But here's what Bandoo is saying happened on that morning of February 6th. There was a federal search warrant for him. The feds went, North Miami Beach police, they were assisting, and Bandoo actually admitted shooting out of the house and hitting Lino Diaz, one of the officers who incidentally is recovering. He'll be just fine. But the amount of weaponry that was found inside his house on a following search warrant really gave officers pause. They found automatic weapons, they found considerable ammunition, and that is why they were here today in front of a judge prosecutors asking that he not get bond. But his defense attorney actually won this one.
Every firearm that was recovered was a legal firearm. So there's nothing illegal about the firearms, nothing illegal about the ammunition, nothing illegal about anything that was recovered in that house, except purportedly there were some ledgers and whatnot, but of course those weren't in any of the crime scene photographs.
So what are those ledgers, you may ask? Well, those may come from an alleged scheme of ID fraud, ID theft, and that is the original reason why there was a warrant on Bandoo's house and the original reason why federal agents were there in the first place. That is the story from Miami and criminal court this afternoon. I'm Glenna Milberg reporting live, Local 10 News.